Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So today I have received some goodies from Elite Jumps. This jump rope company it's just been a great community. I've been using their product since 2021 and I haven't looked back since. So I always have loved jumping rope, and I'm always using their product because I stand by it. So today I have a wonderful gift right here that I received from Elite Jumps, and I want to take this time to unbox it. Now, I wanted y'all guys to join me along with this unbox. So today, we're going to get started. Let's get started unboxing and let's see what's in this box right now. All right, it's pretty heavy, so can't be too bad. Can't be too bad with what's in it. A big one, big product. Wow. Oh, I got the jumbo mat. Ah! Oh man, I got the nice jumbo mat. This mat, you can go outside and you can do it in the rain, the snow, whatever. As long as you got your mat, and it also helps the longevity in your rope too. So you have a PVC rope, instead of jumping and hitting the ground, try using a mat. It'll save your rope in the long run. So I got a nice jumbo mat. I think this one here is this one is the big one. Yep, this is a nice size mat. I think it's like 44 by 90. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I don't see it on here, but I'm pretty sure, because I had purchased one just like this a while ago. So I really love this mat. Let's see what else we got. Oh, oh, that's everything for the max. That's everything out of the box. Yep, this is the jumbo mat. All right, throw that to the side. All right, so what we got here? We also have, this would be, a 6mm rope with the short handle. The short handle is 5 inches of the long short handle. Well, 5-inch long handle. And it got the stickers if you want to put the stickers on them. Look at this. Look at this, guys. This is pretty cool. So I got a 6mm with the 5-inch handle. Man, I like this. All right, let's move on to the next. So I have the 5-inch long handles with 6mm PVC rope. I can definitely use this and switch it up from my 5mm. And then this one here. Oh, I got the long handle too. All right. As you know, for y'all guys that have been following me on my, my IG or TikTok, I really like using my style of jump roping is more so with the long handle rope and the 5mm, but I'm always up for trying different challenges and using different rope sizes and different handle sizes. So this year that I'm gonna be making sure this year that I kind of bring that more in the mix, bring some different variety. So this is the 8-inch long handle. These are the ones that I like to use a lot. All right, so what we got here? All right, so we got 3 different types of PVC ropes as far as size. So the first PVC rope is the white one. This one is 4mm. So 4mm PVC rope is very light. And then we have the blue one right here. The blue one right here will be a 5mm PVC rope. And this is what I use a lot often when I'm doing my tricks or posting a lot of my content on social media, I really like using the 5mm rope. It just fits more of my style with the 8-inch long handle. So it's just a preference, but I'm hoping to switch it up this year. Stay tuned. And last but not least, this is the 6mm PVC rope, the black color. So this is what I got, and this is pretty awesome. I just want to take the time, a huge thank you to the Elite Jump community. Thank y'all guys. There's so many great people that's very talented. That's also other jump ropers. They pretty good at what they do, and we all just enjoy jump roping all together. So this is a big shout out to Elite Jumps. Thank you for the gifts. I truly love it. I can't believe it's already, we in the year 2026, and it's been 5 years that I've been jump roping, and I'm going to continue to keep doing what I love. That's the kind of cardio I like to do. That being said, guys, thank y'all guys for joining in today with the unboxing. So I'm going to be using this baby pretty soon. I want to kind of use the old one, but this one I'm definitely going to be needing to use this very soon because my other one is getting more out. So I had it for a very long time. Oh man. So with that being said, if you don't have a rope and you're planning to get a rope and you don't know where to start at, please go to the link. The link will be down below. Just go into the link, use the discount code ChrisP. You can just type it all together, ChrisP, and then apply the discount on your checkout, and that should help you save a little bit of money on your purchase. So that being said, guys, thank y'all once again. Happy New Year's to each and every one of you guys. And then if you're looking for a cool type of cardio to do and starting off in the new year, I would recommend pick up a jump rope. And I promise you, you stay at it, stay consistent, and also you gotta have some patience when you're trying to learn new fundamentals with a rope. But I promise you, you have all those fundamentals all together, all that what ties into that journey, I promise you that you're gonna really enjoy it. So with that being said, I don't have anything else. Looking forward to seeing y'all guys in the next one. Have a good one.